nag-video ko. Uy, lingi ba? Hello, Mao. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. I hope that this day will bring forth good luck, good blessings, and more birthdays to come. Wish you good health, and thank you for all the things that you have done to us, for me and the kids, and I appreciate you every single day. Happy 40th birthday. I love you.
Hi, Daddy! Happy 40th birthday! Thank you for everything that you have done and provided for me, my siblings, and mommy. May more blessings and future years come to you, and may those future years and blessings be showered with great success. And I love you very much, Daddy. Once again, happy birthday, Daddy! I love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. We miss you and love you very, very much. Thank you and Mommy for working very hard just for me and my siblings to receive a roof above our heads, to receive good shelter, and to receive water to drink and food to eat. Thank you for spoiling us with the love that you give us, and you deserve all of the love and appreciation your family and friends give you. Even though you are far away from us and your country is separated, because you are in Singapore and we are in the Philippines, you still make time to go home just so you can spend time with your family and friends even though you have work. Since you are far away from our country, I hope that God will protect you from all of the evil that might surround you. I hope that God will lead you into the right path and give you more birthdays to come. I thank you for lifting the heavy weight we give you on your shoulders and you still manage to carry it. I thank you for being the best dad we could ever ask for. I pray to God to protect you from all of the evil that may happen in your surroundings. I pray to God that you are safe and sound in the place where you are right now because we are not there with you. Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you and miss you so much.
Hello and happy birthday, Daddy. Thank you for everything you've given and done for us. Thank you for being here when we needed you the most. Remember that I always love you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Padex. Thank you for everything natabang ni mo sa ako. And wishing you good health and amping permi.
Happy birthday, Tito Dex. Thank you for everything and more birthdays to come.
Hello, Dex. 40 ka na. Amping kanunay sa imong panarabaho diha. Nasabtan ka na mo ni Daddy sa imong pagtrabaho nga bisag halayo kanunay sa imong pamilya. Ang ako lang, ampingi gayud ni imong health kay nakabalo ko na nakaigibati. Ayaw kagol na mo ni Daddy. Kanunay namin nag-support ko sa imong pamilya bisag layo ka kanunay.
Happy 40th birthday, Dexter. Oh, I know you worked very hard in the last 40 years and you are successful. In fact, we can see that what you are now today. But life is not consistent all the times. There are changes. We should always adhere to the principle that the only thing in this world that does not change is change. So better change always for the better. You have another 1.5 years to come. And that will still be the same as you are going to target your goals and aspirations. And I know you can make it. Suggestion is, yes, stay humble all the time. Considerate and forgiving at all times. Once again,
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you, my bro, Dexter E.
the best thing in life that my parents gave me is such an amazing brother like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. May your year be filled with love, success, and countless measurable moments. And thank you sobra. Especially for my son, Joshua. Buti nga nung binto-binto pa magunin yun, di ba? Wala ko'y masturya pa. Kundi thank you kay sa tanan. No matter what happened, good man or bad, I will always be here for you. Happy birthday, bro. And God bless you more. More and more. I love you. Hila kong dugo. Bye.
Happy 40th birthday, Dexter. Akong wish sa imuhang birthday nga unta maiwasan nimo ang stress sa imong trabaho o kay 40 naman ka magsugod na kag-ingat sa mga pagkaon nga usahay may makaingon sa mga necessary problems sa atong mga panglawas. So as always, I wish you a very happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday, Dexter. Many happy returns of today. And today you turn another year older, and I'm so proud of you. Enjoy your day, and tagay na this.
Hi kay Dexter, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in terms of health and kanang sa imong job. Kanang take care lang always, and thank you kay kanang kanang good husband ka sa kang Ate Twinkle, then kanang sa ilang dilan kay makita jud ako nga good father jud ka, good father figure. So nice lang, continue lang na. Wala to.
Go.
Happy birthday, Daddy Dexter!
Happy birthday, Kuya Dex. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Ninong Dexter. Sending love and hugs on your special day.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Kuya Dex. Hi. Happiest 40th birthday, Kuya Dexter. Akong number one wish ni mo kuya is good health. Always good health and more blessings to come for you and Ate Twinkle because you deserve it, Kuya. And maragna naman sa inyong hatanan. So, ang ako, Kuya, is thank you for your kindness, Kuya. Thank you for all the help. And thank you, Kuya, because you're one of the best brother-in-law because you treat us as your own siblings. Thanks, Kuya and Ate Twins. And Marto, enjoy your day, Kuya. As in, I miss you all. Happy birthday. Have a blast. See you all soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Daddy Dex.
Ate.
Happy birthday, Daddy Dexter, and I really hope you have the best day on your birthday and have all the happiness and love you have on your birthday. Once again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Dex! 40th birthday and a blessed birthday. Wish you all the best in life, happiness, health, and more blessings to come. And syempre, sa safety sa imong family and everyone. And once again, happy birthday, Kya!
Happy birthday, Daddy Dexter!
And happy birthday, and wishing you in this special day of yours, filled with love, happiness, and success. And cheers to another year of health, wealth, and more blessings. And of course, more travels with wifey and family. Again, happy birthday, Nget, and God bless.
Hi, Gaw. Happy birthday. Akong wish sa imuha is tana hatagan pa kaw sa Ginoo nan dugang pangadaghan nga katuigan nga moabot sa imong kinabuhi. Daghan nga mga panalangin. Kanang panalangin nga nadawat nimo karon pilo-piloon pa na nga moabot sa imuha. Tungod kay nakita mo sa Ginoo nga buutan ka nga pagkatao. Buotan nga anak, buotan nga umagad, buotan og mapinanggaon na bana o buotan na sa mapinanggaon sa napagkaamahan o buotan sa mga igsuon. Happy birthday, Gaw!
Hi everyone! Maayong gabi sa tanan. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Hazel Evangelio de Vero Maganda. I'm Dexter's first cousin. My late mom was his dad's sister. Hi Dexter! Hi Nget! Ooh, happy birthday! It's your 40th birthday today. I hope you are very happy and together with the family. Thank you sa invite. Pero sorry, dili jud mi kanha. Kung doon lang unta ang Los Angeles, mulupad jud mi pamilya para ma-attend sa imong birthday. Anyway, I remember Dexter when he was young. I left Davao like 2 decades ago. He was barely out of high school, going to college sa Silliman University sa Dumaguete. Eskwelahan sa mga bright ug sa mga elite. Well, it did not disappoint. Look at you. Look what have you become with your 40 years in existence. And I'm so proud of you, dude. Happy birthday. My wish for you is na naman sa imo tanan, good health, more blessings and prosperity to come, and long life. Happy 40th birthday. Enjoy your day. Cheers and enjoy your beers. Thank you. Happy birthday ulit, Dex. Bye.
Happy 40th birthday, Tito Dexter! May you have more blessings and birthdays to come. God bless you!
Hi, Gal! Happy 40th birthday! Another year, another chapter in the beautiful book of your life. May this chapter filled with love, and of course, more success pa, and moments together with your family. Sayang di mi makaanha sa karon, maybe next time. Kita-kits na lang tapuhon. Alam mo na palasa. Bye-bye! Happy birthday once again!
Hi, Ninong Dexter. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mr. OFW. Hi, Dax. Happy birthday! Uy, 40 na ta. Bitaw, thank you. Thank you, Jugayo, especially for being my support system in Singapore during my studies. Thank you for your generosity, for your hospitality, for your charity, and happy 40, happy birthday. Miss you.
Hi Dex, happy birthday. Back in college, someone told me that he found you very reliable, and I'm happy that all throughout the years after that, from Silliman, from Singapore, and up to now, I'm happy that our paths are still crossing, and I've seen that growth from that time up to now. And if there's one thing I would say, I am so proud of you, and I'm proud of both of you, ni Twinkle. 40 looks good on you, so keep it up and keep shining. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, pare. More success and thanks sa libre. Doon di ako Singapore.
Brad Dax, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Ay, sakto ba? 40 di ay. Brad, wala gid ko nimo gisipot sa Singapore, wa ka nang pakita. Nagkuhan ba ako, nag-expect ko nga naka sa Singapore itong naapog ko. Pero anyhow, on a serious note, I just wanted to wish you the happiest birthday. I know you're very successful now, especially sa imong career, sa imong business. But still, I wanted to wish you all the best. May all your dreams come true sa imong familia, sa tanan, and yeah, amping kanunay, Brad. Always remember, naami kanunay mga classmates sa college. Happy birthday, bro.
Quiz Dexter, happy birthday ha. So I just finished the Bohol Marathon, 42K. So para ni sa imong birthday. I wish you more blessings. All the best. Ang imong mga kayamanan diha. Ayaw na tapigi na. Ipangbahin-bahin na sa mo. Happy birthday. Take care always. Ay, by the way, PS. Na ako'y ipadala pataban ani nga video na ay nag-greet nimo. Na ako'y nakasabay ganina sa ran, murag na intriga jud ko niya. So ako gid sang gikuhaan og birthday greeting sa imo ha. So i-play to palihog after sa ako
Happy birthday, Dax. Twinkle messaged me that she's collecting birthday messages for you. So yes, congratulations, bro. We reached 40. Maybe I just turned 40 slightly ahead of you. And so I guess life is getting better, I guess. And I'm not really comfortable looking back on the person that I was, during those times. But I still do like to keep in touch with the friends I made along the way during those times. So that's you, there's Twinkle, there's Chatty. So well, over the years, thank you. When we were still there, thank you for the friendship. I've always pegged you as someone who marched to the beat of his own drum, and I admire that in persons and people. And I'm happy every time I see on social media about you and Twinkle. The marriage is strong, and then there's a great family life. So I've always pegged you for a good person then, and somehow you indeed are. So I wish for the best of things for you, for your marriage to Twinkle, and more great things to come for you and your children. And maybe someday we'll get together again. I don't know when that is. So it took me a while to find a spot where I could make a video of a message for you guys. For you. Again, happy birthday, and I don't know when it'll happen that I could find the time to visit Davao when you're also there and see Twinkle. Maybe it's good to meet your children. So anyway, I've been to Davao many times, but never in the sense that I got together with you guys. But anyway, again, great hope for the future. Happy 40th. See you around, bro.
Take 100. Hi, Dex. I'm just so glad that I could be part of your 40th birthday celebration. Happy birthday, Dax. I hope that you are having a blast celebrating your birthday with Twinkle, your kids, your family and friends in Davao. Dugay na kaytang wala nagkita, I know. Sige na tagplano, but wa siya na dayon. The last time we met personally was in Shangri-La, Cebu, I think, during Sharhan and Chloe's wedding. Yeah, ingon ana na siya kadugay. But hopefully soon, magkita ra gyud niya ta. Well, time sabi, kinsa man ni si birthday boy nato, who is Dexter Evangelio in college. Kanis Dexter, everybody's favorite ni siya. Everybody's friend. Sige ra gyud na siyang gasmile si Dexter. Always gasmile ra gyud na si Dexter. Let me show you some pictures here. Yes, nang kay jugos ka bandax para nimo. Yes, there. There's Dexter with Carms, ako, ug si Janice. Si Rodora. See? Nice kay smile. Napa Jude. Yes, there's Dax. I think this was taken after or before our graduation in college. Dax next to Joshua wearing yellow, I think. And then year with Abel during our internship in 95.1 DYSR FM. Sakto ba ko? Okay. And then, Napajud with Kreng. Ako, si Kreng, og si Abel. I think kita lang upat nag-internship sa DYSR. Or naasad to si Eds. Hindi ako sure. And then, sige katawa si Dexter, no? Pero, lantawa. Namugot na gid siya dinha. Kay gaya-iya ra kuno ko. Kapolio na siya kaayo kay ganahan na siya makakitang twinkle. No, but anyway, those are the memories back in college. So, tsada jud kay balik-balikan. So anyway, Dax was everybody's friend because he always have that warm and positive, just positive vibes nga personality, nga attitude. That's why everybody loves him. Except ni... Nah, just kidding. What to Dax? Again, Dex, happy birthday. I wish you good health always and more blessings.
Happy birthday, Tito Dexter!
Happy birthday! Dexter, happy birthday! Ron's here!
Auntie Kong!
And our kids, Sean and Shen. Wishing you all the best in life, a good relationship with your family, good health, and more blessings to come. Happy birthday,
Tito
Dexter! Bye!
Bye!
Take care!
Hi, go! Just want to wish you happy birthday and more blessings to come. And cheers!
Hi, Daddy Dex. In behalf of the Unga family, we praise God for your life. We thank Him for how you have been a blessing to us. We declare good health, protection, wisdom, and more of His blessings in your life in the coming years. Again, happy birthday and God bless you.
Hi, Sir Dexter. Happy 40th birthday. I wish you good health, more blessings, and may the Lord grant the desires of your heart. Cheers to you and a wonderful journey ahead. God bless you.
Hello, Sir Dix. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday to you, Sir Dix. Happy birthday. Good God bless you always and more birthdays to come. And God bless you and your family. Happy birthday.
Pare Dix, happy birthday. Kumusta? Akong gamay mensahe sa imuha, I wish you good health and happiness. Padayon sa imong pagkaming tao, very approachable, generous. Ug sa kabuotan, lamang lang ka na ko gamay, kay maayo kay kamukanta. Basta mauling ni ang imong hinumduman, walay laing magsinabtanay o magtinabangay. Kita lang mga magsilingan. Again, happy 40th birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Dex.
Stay young
And happy.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Gitarong ginako dito kay grabe how to jubaya kay ni mo kanta. Happy birthday, Tito Dexter Evangelio. I hope you are enjoying your day. And actually, Tita Twinkle messaged me and said kahit 30 to 1 minute nga video, no? So I will try my very best to make this video a short video. So Happy birthday, Tito Dexter. And ang ako maingon gyud is, though wala kayo ta kanang ingon nga daghan og time na nagka-mingle ta or nagkauban ta, or memories together, kay naman kasalayong dapit. But I can say that you still manage to spend time sa mga tao na dear sa imong heart, doon sa imong heart, mga tao na kalalabi na sa imong family, sa imong friends, and I am very, very, very honored and very blessed na isa ko sa mga tao nga kanang for a short while nakauban sa inyuha, and kanang nahimupod og kanang gina-consider as part of the family kahit ano lang, kahit mubo lang na panahon. And I am very happy no kay maano gihapon ko kanang ma-update gihapon ko sa inyong live, kay kanang makita na ko inyong mga post, inyong mga my days, kanang happy kaayo ko kung unsa jud ang gibuhat ni Lord sa inyong life. Happy kay ko sa blessings nga gihatag ni Lord sa inyo, labi na sa inyong mga anak. And makaingon jud pud ko nga one of the reasons nga gibless mo ni Lord is kamo gyud nga couple no, kanang you are very generous. You are very generous. I'm not only talking about financial or material things, but you are also generous sa inyong time, sa inyong effort, nga makita gyud kung unsa mo ka sincere and genuine sa mga tao. And mao jud ang pinakaganahan nako sa inyo ha. And I can say na kaning nga mga tao kanang they are such a good people no, you are a good people, kanang Evangelio family in general no, very very good people. And sa family po nila Tito Dexter, and kanang I am very blessed. So naalang ko iingon na kanang verse no, this is common na sa atoa, and this is a very familiar na verse, Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. And kana siya nga blessing ni Lord, dili lang na siya mag-stop sa inyo ha, sa imuha, Tito Dexter. I believe that kana nga blessing is a generational blessing, so mapasa na sa generation to generation, ila Denise, ila Dylan, ila Domdom. I believe na agi dakong plano si Lord sa ilaha and sa inyo ha as a family. I declare blessing yun sa inyo ha. And ang wish for you Tito is yung pinaka-importante yun is good health no. Kanang I pray, I always pray for you, for Evangelio family, nga kanang always gyud no, nga mag-uban si Lord, and ang good health gyud kay labi na naka sa far away naka sa far away, you really have to take care of your body, of your health. So kana isa, good health. Kaduha, I declare pod, I hope and I am praying for more blessings pagyud, kay grabe gyud ka prosperous and ka victorious si Lord sa inyong life. And ako is kanang as the head of the family, I also pray no nga as the head of the family, tagaan gyud kag more knowledge and wisdom ni Lord, nga i-guide ka kung unsaon po di mo pag-guide ang imong family ingana. But sa akong nakita karon no, your family is in good hands gyud, grabe gyud kaayo. I really miss the bond sa inyuha, labi na sa inyuha nga couple no, and makaingon gyud ko na kanang though namo gyud mga time nga makaingon ko nga dili naman nila need nga mag-reach out, mangumusta sa ako, labi na si Tita Twinkle, grabe jud kayo mangumusta. Ma-touch gyud ko kay though kanang wala na kaita nagakita ninyo, pero ma-feel gihapon ako nga kanang part ko sa family, and gituring na gyud ko ninyo as kanang naasa ka ng close friends no. So ana makaingon gyud ko nga kanang distance dili gyud siya hindrance kana no. It's not only applicable sa romantic relationships no, maski unsa na relationships like friendship sa family, no, makaingon gyud ko, distance is not a hindrance. Kay ikaw, you still manage to give time, to spend time sa imong mga anak, sa imong family, and saludo kay ko ana sa imong tito. And medyo taas-taas gyud ni akong greeting, no, so I will magbabay na ko. Once again, happy birthday, Tito Dexter. How old are you? Char. Dili bitaw. Enjoy your day. God bless. And always be a blessing. See you soon!
Happy 40th birthday, Dex!
Hey Dex, happy birthday. It's your 40th birthday today, so welcome to the 40s Club. I wish you nothing but more success and of course good health. And dugay-dugay na punta wala nakita sa atong batch, no, sa atong high school classmates and barkadas. So I hope to catch up with you all soon. Happy birthday.
I just want to greet my good friend Dexter Evangelio. Happy 40th birthday celebration. Wishing you more birthdays to come, more blessings, happiness, and love. And enjoy your day and welcome to the 40s Club.
Hi Dex! Happy 40th birthday to Dexter Evangelio. Membro na jud ka sa Life Begins at 40. Kamusta na itong mga katuhuran dira? Nagsakit-sakit na ba? Pero sige lang. Kaya nga to ang wisdom magpod, nag-improve na magpod. Dex and Twinkle, gusto kong magpasalamat personally for always making your house available sa kada panagtapok sa mga Veronicans. Salamat kaayo sa inana na pag-accommodate sa amo. And Dex, always remain to be a good person because ingana jud ang akong nailhan sa imuha since high school. And to always fulfill the motto, Dex, ha, na happy wife for a happy life. Para happy ang tanan. Happy 40th birthday, Dex! Bye!
Hello Dex, happy birthday. Welcome to the 40s Club. I'm on the same club na pod. But anyway, sa akong wish. Akong wish is, murag na naman jud sa imo ang tanan. You have a wonderful family. You have a superwoman wife. You have amazing 3Ds. And so at this point, siguro akong wish is peace of mind and good health. And also, if napaka-desire for your family, if you still have wishes in life, I hope that God will grant that. And I also managed to find a message po for high school. And it says, Dear Laverne, thank you for everything. I hope that you will continue to be good. And I hope you will forgive me for everything. Ambot unsa na imong forgive, Dex. But anyway, this is all the messages from my high school friends. And that's how I treasure our friendship. So thank you so much. Happy birthday again. God bless and hope you have a blast. Thank you. Bye.
So, happy birthday, Dexter.
Happy birthday, Sir Dexter.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sir Dexter.
Hi, sir. I just want to greet you a happy 40th birthday. Here, I hope you have a fantastic day and a fantastic year to come. And thank you for being such an incredible friend, a mentor, a leader, a boss, and a manager who inspires us always. And because you were born, we get to eat cake today. Here's your cake, sir. Here. This is only our cake for you. From Mighty Kids Matina. And then here. Once again, happy birthday and God bless you more. Always. Bye.
Hi sir, happy birthday. May God shower your life with lots of happiness and blessings. Wishing you a great birthday and resourceful life ahead. Happy birthday again! Bye!
Sir, I just wanted to share some quote for you. So, a wise man once said, forget about your past, you cannot change it. And I'd like to add, forget about the present, because I didn't get you one, sir. Wala ko'y kwarta, sir. Chew. But I just wanted to say, and greet you a happy, happy birthday, sir. With a kodig, sir.
Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday, 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 Nancy Dexter. Birthday, 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 Nancy Dexter. Happy 40th birthday, Sir Dexter. We wish you all the good things in life.
Hi Sir Dex, happy birthday. May your birthday have filled of laughters, joy, and success. Your ability to turn challenges into opportunities, it's admirable. Have a blessed happy birthday, Sir Dex.
You deserve all the good things. I wish you a very happy birthday and a great day.
Happy birthday, Sir Dex. On your birthday, I pray that God continues to grant you wisdom, health, and prosperity, and may God's light shine perpetually upon you. Again, sir, happy birthday.
Hello, sir. Just dropping in to give you a short birthday wish. So I'm wishing you a year filled with joy, with exciting projects and success. So, happy birthday, sir.
Hello, sir. Happy birthday. This birthday, I wish you abundant happiness and love.
Bye. Tanjube, Milita! Feliz aniversario! Feliz cumpleaños! Happy 40th birthday, Sir Dex!
Hi, Kuya Dexter. Happy birthday. Wish na ko sa imowa is good health as always. Gusto ra ko magpasalamat sa tanan-tanan tabang ninyo sa ako ani ate, sa pag-treat ninyo sa kuha sa family, sa tanan mga advice ninyo ni ate sa kuha is wala na ko to siya gikalimtan. Ginabutang gyapon ako to siya sa akong hunahuna and sa akong heart. Gusto ra sad ko magpasalamat kay sa tanan laag and bondings na build na ako kauban mo is gina-treasure na ko to siyang tanan. God bless and your family and I miss you all.
Hey, Ninong! May this year gives you more even success, happiness, and unforgettable memories. Cheers to all the incredible things you have yet to accomplish. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Dex! May you always be in good health and more empty schools to open. See ya!
Hi, Parang Dex. Happy birthday. More blessing and good health always for you and your whole entire family. Happy birthday!
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 dear attorney Dexter. 생일 축하합니다. Happy birthday, Sir Dex. I wish you all the best. Good health lagi. Thank you for always there for us, for UFPCS family. Stay as cool as you are. And more blessings to you and your family. Happy birthday again!
Hello everyone, magandang araw sa lahat. Binabati ko ng maligayang kaarawan si Attorney Dexter Evangelio, sir. happy birthday. At ang dalangin ko ay ang iyong kalusugan. Naway bigyan pa tayo ng Panginoon ng maganda at malusog na pangangatawan, even though na hindi lingid sa atin na meron na tayong mga gamot na tinitik, but we are thankful dahil nandito pa tayo sa ibabaw ng mundo, humihinga, and that is dahil sa paggabay ng ating Panginoon. At sir, ang dalangin ko naway di ka magbabago, at saka maraming salamat dahil nakilala ka namin during Tatay Digong running for president. Then nabuo ang UFPCS until now, nandito pa rin tayo dahil sa ating mission, and best wishes that all your dreams, all what you want, you can get it. Alam ko na you are becoming more successful in life dahil masipag kayong mag-asawa, bless kayo ng Panginoon, at naway hindi kayo magbabago dahil alam ko na napakabuti nyo. And we are lucky dahil trinit mo kaming parang kapatid dito sa Singapore, even though na dito lang tayo nagkikilala. But I'm really thankful, especially me. Ang salitang salamat, ang salitang thank you ay hindi sapat dahil alam ko na ang mga payo mo sa amin, lalo na sa mga bawat sitwasyon ng aming buhay, ay napakahalaga, and I'm treasure for all of that, sir, and I'm salute of you. Napakabata mo, pero ikaw yung nagbibigay ng inspirasyon sa amin, ikaw yung nagbibigay ng mga payo ng bawat na pwede namin gawin, at lalo na sa parte ng aming mga trabaho. And sir, again, happy birthday. Naway malasing mo kami pag may time. Joke, but God bless and more blessings to come.
Happy 40th birthday, Sir Dax! May our dear Lord bless you with good health and more blessings to share for those who are in need. Thank you dahil nakilala ka namin as one of the founder ng UFPCS who give us free legal advices, lessons in life na alam kong nakakatulong sa amin at para sa ikabubuti ng lahat. Kahit na medyo paulit-ulit na lang yung cellphone. And as what people say, life begins at 40. So, enjoy lang. Happy life. And again, thank you so much. And enjoy your day. Bye!
Hello, Sir Dax. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. God bless you always.
快乐 Tito Dexter 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，生日快乐！Happy birthday, Tito Dexter!
Then magpag-greet ko sa ko amigo ba, happy birthday. Dexter yung pangalan.
Dexter, hello. Hello, hi Dexter, happy birthday.
Ano
We
pangalan?
have more to come in your life, and I hope all the best will come, and just enjoy life and have fun.
Okay, usa yung mga kuan FB page.
I'm Cherry Gold Season.
Okay.
CHE, this one.